Utilization of solar cell from bioleaching of slag for fish container storage, vintage.
Indonesia has 5.8 million square kilometers of sea area. The maritime sector is very strategic and potential for captive fisheries and aquaculture. But 50% fisheries in Indonesia is still not prosperous. The problem is the absence of cold storage facilities that causes the quality and price of the fish to decline. This problem causes the fish will not last longer and makes low productivity. However, the fish consumption is increased every year. Indonesia also has great potential in utilizing sunlight as a source of electrical energy. Indonesia receives high solar radiation with an average length of 6 to 8 hours weekly, and it's enough to produce electricity. Other problem is production of slag. Slag is a waste product patio waste from metallurgical industry that contains impurities from the metals and ores.
An example is ferronickel slag of PP Antam that contains 52% of silicon dioxide, with the element of silicon about 23%. Silicon is main component to make solar panels. The silicon content in the ferronickel slag of PP Antam can be a source of silicon to make solar panels.
So, here we are, Summer Triennial team from Bandung Institute of Technology. And this is our idea. Utilization of solar cell from bioleaching of slag for fish container storage, vintage. Bioleaching is a process of dissolving, releasing or extracting metal from sediment into a soluble form with the help of microorganisms. The bacteria we use is silicate bacteria that can produce acid to release the silicate to the solution. The optimum pH condition used in bioleaching are in the range of 7 to 8, and the optimum temperature condition used in bioleaching is 30 degrees Celsius. With the species of bacteria are Bacillus circulum, Bacillus mucilaginosus, and Bacillus endemic, with the percentage of their effectiveness. The silicon that produced by bioleaching will be used to make a solar panel. The solar panel is a system that functions to convert solar energy into electrical energy with the principle of photovoltaic effect. The solar panel will be used to be a surge energy of vintage concept. Vintage is a fish cooling technology that utilizes electrical energy from the sun's heat. Vintage has a working principle like a freezer, working by removing heat from inside of the compartment. The location chosen for vintage standard location is in the shore with the maximum light intensity to get a sufficient supply of solar energy.
The benefits of vintage is expected to be an environmentally friendly technology for increasing production in the fisheries sector, with maximizing the potential for the use of solar cells as renewable energy and creating technology that makes it easier for humans to support the development of the fisheries sector in the era of Society 5.0 in Indonesia. SWOT analysis. Strength: abundant resource of solar energy in Indonesia, doesn't produce emissions, and environmentally friendly. Weakness: need a very large number of bacteria to leach slag, and there are other minerals that produce from bioleaching. Opportunities: there's no machine that store fish in a large scale. Threats: the intensity of sunlight decreases during the rainy season and depend on the weather. Vintage is a technology that able to answer the problems of fishermen by utilizing renewable energy and materials from waste. We hope that vintage can be a symbol of harmony between technological development, environmental sustainability, and human empowerment according to Society 5.0. Thank you. In Harmonia Progressio.